Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss color correcting. Now, I know all of us wake up with absolutely flawless skin. We don't have to do much to make ourselves look wonderful, and we're all really happy and excited about what we look like first thing in the morning. Right. Now that's where color correcting comes in. It helps disguise those dark circles, it masks discoloration, it neutralizes redness, and it brightens dullness. So when you wake up in the morning, you have all this craziness going on with your skin. Know there are ways to battle that so that when you go to put on your makeup, your skin looks beautiful and it will stay looking beautiful all day long. So for those of you who don't know what color correcting concealer is, here is an option that you can buy. This is NYX color correcting concealer, and it comes with a bunch of different little colors. I don't know, can you see the little color? Okay, yep. There's green, yellow, pink, purple, a brown color, and a peach color. Green is opposite the color wheel from red, so it is perfect for hiding any redness on your face like pimples and acne scars. If you have rosacea, a color correcting green primer will help hide unwanted redness and give you an even base for applying foundation. Now, for people with darker skin tones, there is an orange concealer that is great for those dark circles under the eyes. Orange is opposite from blue. If you have darker skin with blue dark circles, orange will work well to help conceal uneven undertones. People with lighter skin should avoid orange and instead go to the peachy color concealer. Pink concealer is usually salmon or peach in tone and is created from a mix of red, orange, and yellow hues. Since these colors are opposite from the blue, green, purple on the wheel, this corrector is best for hiding dark under eye circles for lighter skin. Yellow concealer. Yellow correcting concealer can be used to cover up any blemish that's purple in tone. Bruises, veins, and under eye circles can be hidden with a yellow spot concealer. Purple concealer. Purple is for yellow skin tones and combating dull complexions. Purple is the best for combating yellow undertones and brightening skin. Use purple primer to remove yellow tones from your entire face and use a spot concealer to hide yellow spots. Now I apply the color correctors after I've washed my face, applied the moisturizer, and applied all of my primer. This goes on just before I put on foundation, and I use a tiny little beauty blender like this to blend in all of the concealer. You can use a brush, or you can use your fingers. Now your fingers, the heat in your fingers do help blend that in nicely, so that will work as well. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below and to click that bell in the corner so you are notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye.